Red Lory. Second in line for the most petted lorikeet in the world is the beautiful red lory. It is found in the lowland forests and tropical mangrove forests of Indonesia, New Guinea, and Australia. It is around 12 inches in length, with weight anywhere between 30 to 300 grams. It has a red plumage with prominent blue and black markings on the wings, tail, and the back. The legs are gray in color, whereas the beak is orange. The males and females of the species have identical external appearance, with their defining characteristic as their brushed tongues. Red lories are one of the most beautiful lorikeets in the world. 9. Musk Lorikeet. Also named as the red-eared lorikeet and kulich. The musk lorikeet was first described by George Shaw in 1970. This lorikeet belongs to the eastern and south-central parts of Australia and is now the only species in the Glopsicitta genus. Musk lorikeets are around 9 inches in length and have a green plumage. They have a red forehead and a blue crown over their head. The crown is smaller in the females, whereas is a little paler in color in males. Both the ears are red colored with yellow bands around them. 8. Rainbow Lorikeet. Found along the eastern seaboards of Queensland to the southern regions of Australia. This lorikeet species is the most colorful bird in the world. This beautiful little bird lives in rainforests, woodlands, and coastal bushes of Australia. It is the most petted lorikeet species in the world due to its highly social and friendly behavior towards humans. It is around 15 inches in length and has a deep blue plumage with green backs, heads, and wing feathers. Their beak is bright red and the legs are grayish-black. With an average lifespan of 30 years, rainbow lorikeet is definitely one of the most beautiful bird species in the world. 7. Ultramarine Lorikeet. Also known as Vini ultramarina. The ultramarine lorikeet is found in the tropical and subtropical lowland forests of Marquesas Islands like Uahuka and Fatuhiva. They are around 7 inches in length and have a cobalt blue forehead. The rest of the crown is purple blue and the feathers are slightly elongated as well. Unfortunately, this beautiful little bird has a very low population left due to deforestation and the introduction of predator black rats in the region. Because of these circumstances, it is now declared as critically endangered by the IUCN. 6. Kuhl's Lorikeet. Also known as Rumatara around the most lowland islands of the South Pacific Ocean, the Kuhl's Lorikeets are among the world's most beautiful species. They were named after Heinrich Kuhn, who described them in 1918. They are very fast-paced flyers with a vibrant plumage. Their back is green, whereas the undersides and the cheeks are bright red. The nape is blue, and both the wings and crown are also green. Both the females and males of the species are nearly identical. With their beautiful looks and fast pace, they are definitely one of the cutest little birds in the world. 5. Scaly-breasted Lorikeet. Found in the woodlands and forests of eastern Australia, the scaly-breasted lorikeet justifies its appearance by its name. It is around 9 inches in length and has yellow-colored breast feathers with broad green edges, which look like scales. The head is crowned in emerald green and blue, whereas the neck, throat, and breasts are yellow. The tail is green and beak is dark coral red. Both the sexes of the species are nearly similar in appearance and are hard to identify, with some yellow markings in juveniles. These birds are among the most beautiful of the lorikeets. 4. Marigold Lorikeet. Endemic to the islands of Southeast Asia, the marigold lorikeet, also known as the Sumba lorikeet, is one of the most beautiful lorikeet species in the world. It is fairly small in size, with its length around 10 inches and weight ranging from 100 to 157 grams. Its plumage is diversely colored, with resemblance to a faded rainbow. Its chest is orange-yellow, which transforms in full yellow at the bottom half. Both males and females are almost identical, with a mixture of purple and blue-colored heads. 3. Blue-crowned Lorikeet. As the name suggests, this blue-crowned lorikeet is found in the islands like Samoa, Tonga, and Lau Archipelago. It is around 8 to 9 inches in length and 47 to 52 grams in weight, with a red throat and blue crown. It also has a belly patch with variable shades from red to purple towards the bottom. Its beak is orange, and the feathers are slightly elongated. They commonly live in flocks of 15 and prefer nectar from hibiscus and coconut as food. These birds are very beautiful, but are endangered due to predation by rats. 2. Dusky Lorikeets. The most beautiful lorikeet species on the planet is the dusky lorikeet, also known as the white-rumped lory and the dusky orange lory. This beautiful little bird is found in the tropical and subtropical islands of New Guinea. It is a short-tailed parrot with length around 10 inches. It has brown plumage with white back and yellow bands around its abdomen that embellishes with the dusky feeling according to its name. The beak is dark orange, and the legs are gray. The males and females are identical in external appearance. One, sunset lorikeet. Endemic to the tropical and subtropical islands of Indonesia, the sunset lorikeet is the second most beautiful lorikeet species in the world. It is also known as the scarlet-breasted lorikeet and the Froston's lorikeet. This parrot species was previously considered a subspecies of rainbow parakeet. It was separated in 1997 after a thorough review of the kind. They are around 10 inches in length and weigh up to 160 grams. Their plumage is bright and very diversely colored. They are highly robust and have their tongues covered with hair for easy nectar removal. Both the sexes are almost identical.